The Saxon AstroSeeker 127 Mac is a compact yet powerful telescope that delivers crisp, high contrast views of the Moon, planets and bright stars. With its long 1500mm focal length, you'll see Saturn's rings, Jupiter's clouds, and the Moon's craters in remarkable detail. Its closed optical design helps resist dust and dew, so it's low maintenance and it's always ready for action. It's lightweight, portable, and ideal for anyone looking for sharp, clear views in a compact setup. Hi, it's Gerald from Optics Central. Today we're continuing our video manual series. These videos are designed to complement the printed instructions that come with your telescope. Let's be honest, learning by reading isn't always easy, and sometimes seeing each step in action makes everything click. So let's dive right in and unbox the Saxon AstroSeeker 127 Maksutov. In this section, we'll cover how to use the GOTO system with the hand controller. Follow along as we guide you through the steps to set up, calibrate, and begin locating objects in the night sky. Make sure to connect the hand controller to the mount to this port and then turn on the mount using this switch. When you have turned on the mount, the hand controller will show that the unit is initializing, then hit enter. You will need to enter the longitude of your location and pay attention to whether your longitude is east or west. Once you have keyed in the numbers, hit enter. Then you will need to enter the latitude of your location, again paying attention to whether your latitude is north or south. And once you have keyed in the numbers, hit enter.
Set your local time zone, choose the plus or minus sign first, then enter the time difference for your location. You will also be prompted to key in your elevation. Minus for anything below sea level and plus is for elevation above sea level. Now enter the date. It is important to know that the date format follows US format with the month first, day second and the year last. It is critical to enter the date correctly. And enter the time. The time follows the 24-hour format. Try to be as accurate as possible, paying attention to the accuracy of the seconds. And just as a side note, objects can move very quickly and seconds make a lot of difference. Daylight saving needs to be enabled when it's in use. Select yes or no. Remember to change it back when not in use. We will begin alignment and you will be prompted with 1. Yes, you want to do an alignment. Or 2. You do not wish to do an alignment. Then push the enter button to continue. Let's choose an alignment method from the selection on the hand controller. The most common is 2-star alignment in most cases. If you want to do 3-star, that will give you very good accuracy, but it involves a bit more calibration time. The hand controller will give you a list of alignment stars. Choose one which works the best for you. Select your first alignment star and use the hand controller to center the star in the eyepiece. Once it is centered, push enter on the hand controller to continue. Now that you aligned the first star, once again choose the best star for the second star alignment. Use the hand controller to center the star in the eyepiece. Once it is centered, push enter on the hand controller to continue. Once you have completed the alignment of the first and second stars and you have made the effort to do this accurately, then you will be prompted with the alignment successful prompt. Hit enter and now you are ready to observe any object you wish. Before we go any further, it's important to adjust the slewing speed of the mount. Rate 9 is very fast, whereas something like rate 3 is very slow. You are now ready to start exploring the night sky. I have chosen to start with the NGC catalogue and look at some distant nebula tonight. I need to type in the NGC catalogue number. Keep in mind that within the NGC catalogue there is 7,840 objects. I have chosen to look at NGC 2244, commonly known as the Helix Nebula in the constellation of Aquarius. And here is the Helix Nebula in all its glory.
Before we get started, I recommend aligning the finder scope with the main telescope tube first. Now if you're unsure how to do that, check out our dedicated video on aligning your finder scope. If your alignment isn't spot on, your target might not appear in the center of the eyepiece. Also keep an eye out on your mount's movement speed. Setting 9 is great for large adjustments, but it's too fast for fine tuning. If you need to move slightly, use a slower speed, maybe around 4 or 5 or even lower. It might seem it is barely moving, but because of the long focal length, even tiny shifts make a big difference in your field of view. Accurate setup matters. Now for the GOTO to work properly, you'll need to level the tripod carefully and enter the correct time and location details. A small misalignment can cause a telescope to miss the target and place it off center. Now with this particular mount, there's no equatorial tracking. This is a dedicated Alt-Az mount, so it doesn't convert to equatorial mode, and for that you may need to consider upgrading to say something like a Saxon AstroSeeker. That one's a equatorial mount. With an f12 focal ratio and an Alt-Az azimuth mount, This telescope isn't designed for long exposure deep sky photography. And where it actually really shines is in planetary imaging. Detailed shots of the Moon, Jupiter or Saturn really are exemplified here. Here are a few examples of what you can achieve with the right technique and the camera setup. We'll cover planetary imaging tips in a separate video coming soon. It's got a limited payload. It supports around 5 to 6 kilograms. So heavy optical tubes or multiple accessories can affect the stability and tracking accuracy. The power management, it runs on 8 AA batteries. Now these batteries can drain pretty fast, especially in cold weather. So I do recommend a 12-volt power supply or rechargeable battery tank, which is highly recommended. With the Wi-Fi connection, some users report connectivity issues on newer phones. Now this can be fixed by updating the app, the firmware, or using the SynScan hand controller instead. Once you're aligned everything, open the SynScan app. From here you can easily go to any target. You can look at planets, galaxies, star clusters, the works, and the mount will track them automatically as they move across the night sky. Now some accessories and magnification tips. A great accessory for this telescope is a Barlow lens, which increases the magnification. Just remember that every telescope has a maximum useful magnification before the image starts to blur. Now for the AstroSeeker 127 Mac, the highest useful magnification is around 254 times. And that's using a 2x Barlow with the included 10mm eyepiece. I hope this video helps you set up your Saxon 127 Mac with confidence, and that it inspires you to explore the planets and uncover some of the hidden gems in our night sky. You'll find timestamps below if you'd like to pause or revisit any section of the setup. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product walkthroughs and video manuals like this one. And as always, look up and enjoy the wonders of the universe.